Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding contact information to your YouTube channel on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Sign in to YouTube Studio using your Google account credentials. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization, and then click on Basic Info. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the section where you can enter your email address. Step 5. Enter your email address in the designated field. Step 6. Once you've entered your email, click on the Publish button to save your changes. By adding your contact information to your YouTube channel, you make it easier for viewers and potential collaborators to get in touch with you. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add contact information to your YouTube channel on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.